Today's project, break the chain. So we've got 4 different tables set up. We got 4 groups going at it. Each group will be behind a cone. Each group will start with the beanbag. They're sliding their beanbag to try to get it down to break the chain, which is the hula hoops. If it lands in one of the hoops, we'll have a partner down on the other side to collect it and bring it back to put it around the cone. If nothing happens, the partner down on the other end will collect the beanbag, give it to the next person in line, and they'll go to the end of the line to wait their turn. Trying to see which group can break all parts of the chain first.